Today, let's create a storybook character by Monique Taylor. You will need my eBook. It has all the templates, even the dice, to make it quick and easy. 6 roles, 6 choices, 5 elements. For the character elements, let's use an acronym, STEAL. That stands for what the characters say, what they think, what effect they have on others, their actions, and how they look. I'll use the character template to record my roles. Here goes! First role, what they say. They quote poetry all the time. Now, why do they do that? Maybe it was something special they shared with their father. Next role. They think, a caring joker who loves rainstorms and dancing. This might mean that they think others are important and they value nature and simple fun. Third role. Everyone thinks the character is a bit odd, but they like the character just the same. So far, all these traits go really well together. Fourth role. They like gardening and whistle often. They're on a quest to find the end of a rainbow. I wonder what they will look like. Fifth role. A well-dressed monster with fairy wings. Actually, I don't like this role for this story. I'll choose again. A duck in a raincoat and boots. Perfect! Now I just need a name. Last role. Iris. In Greek mythology, she is the goddess of the rainbow and a messenger between the gods and humanity. And iris is also a vibrant flower that grows in all the colours of the rainbow. Perfect for my duck. All done. So easy and quick. I love the character I rolled. I can't wait to roll another one. Have fun creating your own Roll-A Get all the templates at chasingthejoyartwork.com. You might also like my Read Aloud picture book videos, or my video on how to write haiku. From the author of Say Cheese, The Custard Effect, Frank's Tank, Wink and Rolly's Spectacular Start, and The Warming Principle. To find out more, visit chasingthejoyartwork.com. Thanks for watching.